Hi, my name is Prasad Rajaram, better known as Shamu. I have an automotive business run in Macbean Village, Cuba, Trinidad and Tobago. Well, I want to tell you about my story started on the 5th of June 2023. I started to feel a tightening and a striking pain coming from my chest. So on Wednesday the 7th, and when I get my angiogram done, one side of my coronary arteries was blocked up, the next side was 99% already blocked up, and I was a walking dead. So in Trinidad, we was looking at options for the best doctors and hospital and also the US. My wife is the one who really pushed me to get the best option for this surgery. She got a contact for the Apollo representative in the Caribbean, so we started to talk. In less than 6 hours, I get a quotation for treatment in India. The main thing better was for robotic surgery, which I wanted in the first place. So what make it incredibly amazing is that Apollo expedited a letter was sent to the Trinidad High Commissioner of India, and we could get to travel the next day. Imagine that, I contact Apollo on Thursday, and in 4 days after, I was in India. And they arranged everything. Even though the flight was a little long, was VIP service all the way. They handled all my luggage. They had a driver take me straight to the hotel where I can rest. First thing next morning, I went to the hospital. There I met Sonia, who greeted me from the IPL team and take me to the lounge to supplement. From there, I was introduced to Dr. Varun and the rest of the team.
Mr. Prasad is a 54-year-old gentleman from Caribbean Islands. He suddenly felt chest discomfort one day, went to the hospital. Within a week of his symptoms, he surprised us by reaching to Delhi. He came to the OPD, we assessed him again. For him, as a special case, we also assessed him for a hybrid procedure in which he was planned for robotic assist CABG day 1. And after 2 days, he was supposed to get a stent in the other artery, which was 99% blocked. This way, we could give him best of both the worlds.
After talking to Dr. Varun and he showed some confidence, I sure he was the one who did my surgery. What I like with Apollo is all my tests was done very quickly. Before the surgery, Dr. Varun explained what he was going to do, and I was very comfortable.
In the hospital, on day 1 of surgery, he was walking around happy, and after 2 days, he got a stent in the right coronary artery.
After the surgery, it's just like what Dr. Varun said, I was walking within 24 hours. My surgery was done in 2 parts, and I was discharged. The staff, the doctor, the nurses, and everybody was very professional at what they did. They was friendly, make me feel very comfortable and like I was home. I'm going home 9 days after my surgery. If it was open heart, I would have been here for probably another month or a month and a half. Best of all, they had a Caribbean representative to make all arrangements to make this possible. Thank you, Apollo. Thank you, Dr. Varun, and thank everyone.